Good morning to all of you. I welcomes to all in this video. This is this one you can say one special video that we have to discuss about this integral. I written that useful integral. That means 0 to infinity e to the power n into y to the power n into e to the power minus a y square dy. Then what will be its value? Why I am telling that this integral very much useful in your quantum mechanics, solid state physics, and if you are going to consider your 6th semester statistical physics derivations. In statistical physics derivations also you can interact with this type of integral. So here you can see that this is one type of Gaussian integral, right? Gaussian integral multiplied with another term y to the power something, what will be the value? And this can be found by using your gamma function, whatever you have been studied in your last semester. That means I think third semester mathematical physics, it was there gamma function. By using gamma function, what will be the value of this one, or we are going to derive a general form of this integral, and you have to remember that one. Okay, so let's start. So here I am suggesting that you have to write your note with another page or something like that. This is not the regular contents whatever we are discussing in our in quantum and solid state. This is only extra part which is required in our quantum, solid state, as well as in our next semester, 6th semester, right? So you have to write this as a note with a separate page. I am just going to instruct you how you are going to write. See, first you have to write to prove that 0 to infinity y to the power n into e to the power minus a square dy is equal to this much. This much means 1 by, carefully you have to watch, 1 by 2 into a to the power n plus 1 by 2, okay, into gamma n plus 1 by 2. This much we are going to be found that of this integral. So that n is going to be vary from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. So here, and we know that gamma half is nothing but root pi, and gamma n plus 1 is nothing but n gamma n, that we know. Okay. So by using this one, gamma half root pi gamma n plus 1 into n gamma n, we are going to be prove that this one like this. What I am going to say that you just write in your note in systematical manner. Okay, I am just going to be show you that this value will be this much, and you have to write your own note. And here one thing I am going to be say to you that also you have to write this much, minus infinity to infinity. If y to the power odd, see here n can be 0, 1, 2, 3, means 1, 3, 5, these are odd, 0, 2, 4, these are even. So if y to the power odd e to the power minus a y square dy will be equal to 0. If y to the power even into a e to the minus a y square dy will be equal to 2 into 0 to infinity y to the power even equal to this much into this much. This we know, because if y to the power odd, then it will be odd, and odd into this is exponential function always even. Okay, odd into odd will be odd, so minus infinity to infinity will be equal to 0. And if y to the power something, that will be even, y to the power even we have, then this will be even, and even into even will be even. So it can be written as 2 into 0 to infinity y to the power even into e to the power minus a y square dy. So this type of integral we have already interacted with our in our solid state physics explanation means at the time of you can just check your classical specific heat. Whenever we have been derived this type of integral, we have been found and we solved, and we written at that time the value. And just last class you can see that in our quantum mechanics also this type of integral we also faced. Okay, I am going to show you. Wait, see, in the solid state physics this type of integral we found and we solved in that class, and in that video you can check. See, something px square and exponent of minus px square, like that, which is equivalent to this type of, like this, y to the power n into e to the minus a y square, right? Here I given that two values, but here I am going to give you the general value. Whatever may be the power of this x, that you can easily found, and easily you can put that value. Okay, see here, here x0 to the power 0 is there. Here two values at that time I given to you that you have to remember by using gamma function, and at that time I also told that I am going to do a separate video of this one. Here x0, x to the power 0, that means 1. So 1 into exponent of minus ax square dx, it is there. Okay, here x to the power 2 is there, 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity. This is our solid state physics. Whenever we are discussing classical theory of lattice heat capacity, we found this type of integral. And also whenever we discussed this problem in quantum mechanics, we also found that type of integral. See, y to the power something, y to the power 2 into e to the minus y square dy, and here also I told that I am going to do a separate video of this integral. So this is the video I am going to do today, will be useful for this type of integral whenever you are going to found at the time of derivation, or many problems also you can found this type of integral. Okay, so I suggest that this integral is very much useful to you, that you have to remember. Okay, that is 1 by 2 into a to the power n plus 1 by 2, a to the power n plus 1 by 2 gamma n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so we know that gamma half is equal to root pi, and gamma n plus 1 is n into gamma n, and if this is odd it will be 0, if it is odd equal to 0, if it is even then it will 2 into 0 to infinity, this one. Now we have to validate that this is this or not. Okay, see, here I done roughly, you have to write in your note perfectly. Okay, see, first we have to consider y to the power 1, 0 to infinity into e to the minus a y square dy. Okay, so by using gamma function, and here heading what you have to write, to prove this equal to this by using gamma function, and this equal to this, this equal to this, and this equal to this much heading you have to write. Then you have to start for n is equal to 1. Here this is nothing but for n is equal to 1, right? For n is equal to 1, first we considered here odd, then we are going to consider even. See, when n is equal to 1, then it will be what we are going to found. See, we have to put a y square equal to t, 2ay dy equal to dt, y dy equal to dt by 2y. So you just put all the things here, then it will be e to the power minus t, y dy will be dt by 2a, so 1 by 2a gone outside, 0 to infinity e to the minus t into t to the power, here t to the power, here there is no t term is there, so we can write t to the power 1 minus 1. Okay, t to the power 1 minus 1 means t to the power 0 equal to 1 into dt. So here it will be 1 by 2a. Okay, 1 by 2a into gamma 1. And here one thing we know, that here you have to write just, and here also you have to write here somewhere you can write, after writing this one, to prove this equal to this, this much is equal to this equal to this much, this equal to this much, and n is equal to this much, and you have to write according to gamma function. By using gamma function, here you can write after writing this much, you have to write by gamma function, e to the power 0 to infinity e to the power minus t into t to the power n minus 1 dt is equal to gamma n. This much we know. Okay, this about the gamma function. This is the standard things, or standard or it is basic formula of the gamma function, that is 0 to infinity integration of e to the power minus t into t to the power n minus 1 dt is equal to gamma n. Okay, so now here you can see e to the power minus t, t to the power n minus 1. Here n is what? N is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. 1 minus 1, t to the power 0. So here n is 1. So we can write gamma 1. We got 1 by 2a. Now we have to consider for n is equal to 3. For n is equal to 3, that it will be that this integral will be how much? E to the power 3. Y to the power 3 e to the power minus a y square dy. Here I am just instructing the things, and you have to write in your note perfectly. Okay, so this will be y to the power 3 e to the power minus a square y dy. Carefully you have to put all the things, and here already we got y dy value, and y is nothing but how much? This is t by a root over. So here from here dy will be equal to dt. Dy will be equal to dt by 2a into y. See, dy equal to dt by 2a into y. Y we got t by a root over. So I just substituted this one. So dy we can found dt by 2a into t by a root over, and we are just going to put all the values. Here y, this is nothing but y equal to t by a root over, or t by a to the power 1 by 2. So if I am going to put instead of y, it will be y to the power 3 by 2. So that means t by a to the power 3 by 2 into e to the power minus t into dy will be this much. Okay, so it will be t by a to the power 3 by 2 into e to the power minus t into dt. Here a got cancelled, root a and a, it will be 2 root a root t. So 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 gone outside 0 to infinity. Here you can see that t to the power 1 by 2 will be moved to the numerator, then it will be t to the power minus 1 by 2, right? So here you can see t to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will be how much? 1 by 2, right? Got my point? T to the power 1 by 2, t to the power 3 by 2. If this will be go to the numerator, it will be t to the power minus 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will be 2 by 2 will be equal to 1. Sorry. So 2 by 2, 3 minus 1, 2 by 2 equal to 1. So it will t to the power 1 into e to the power minus t dt by a square. Okay, because see, this is a to the power 3 by 2 into plus 1 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will be equal to a to the power 4 by 2 will be a square into e to the power minus t dt. Simple things. So it will be 1 by 2a square into 0 to infinity t to the power. Here 1 is there. I am going to be write in the form of gamma function. That means e to the power minus t to the power n minus 1. So t to the power 1 can be written as t to the power 2 minus 1. So this is a gamma function. That means here you can see t to the e to the power minus t to the power n minus 1 dt will be how much? Gamma n. Gamma n means gamma 2, right? So gamma 2 is nothing but 1 factorial, we know. Okay, gamma 2 can be written as how much? Gamma 1 plus 1. Gamma 1 plus 1, that means 1 gamma 1. Here I written gamma n plus 1 means n gamma n. So 1 gamma 1 nothing but, or I written 1 factorial, it will be 1 factorial. Okay, because it will be 1 gamma 1. 1 gamma 1 will be equal to 1 factorial and this will be 1 1 1. So we found that 1 by a square is the answer. Okay. Now if you are going to be calculate but I done y to the power 1, y to the power 3, I suggest that you just do by yourself y to the power 5 and e to the power minus a square y square dy, and you are going to get the value of this one, 1 by 2 into aq into gamma 3, that means 1 by 2 into aq gamma 3 means 2 factorial. Okay, so 2 got cancelled, 1 by aq you are going to be get. You just calculate with this same procedure, you just calculate, you can find. You have to write at least this one for n equal 1, n equal 3, n equal 5. Here I not written, I suggest you for n equal 5 you have to write down. I written here directly. Okay, then you have to write similarly y to the power 7 will be equal to we can get this much, 3 by a to the power 4. That means the in general form if we are going to write, see, for n is equal to 1, for n is equal to 1 we found 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a gamma 1. See, for n is equal to 1 we found 1 by 2a gamma 1. For n is equal to 3, we found 1 by a square, into gamma 2. For a to the power for n is equal to 5 we found 1 by 2 into a to the power 3 into gamma 3, and for n is equal to 7 we found 1 by 2 a to the power 4 gamma 4. Okay, so by considering these terms we can write in general the value will be 1 by 2 into a to the power n plus 1 by 2. See, a to the power n plus 1 by 2 into gamma n plus 1 by 2 will be equal to 0 to infinity y to the power n e to the power minus a y square dy. Here n is odd. Here n is odd things, odd values we have been taken, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 like this. Okay, you can write here that if we have to consider 0 to minus infinity to infinity, y to the power n e to the minus a square y square will be equal to 0, because here n is odd. Okay, you just write after this one. Okay, you just check, you can check that we have to consider 1. So what will the value? The value will be what? You see, this is 1 by 2, always 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 is always there, into, this is divided by, okay, 1 by 2 into a to the power n plus 1. So if we are going to consider 1, then 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 equal to 1. So 1 by 2 into a to the power 1 into gamma 1, that means n plus 1. Here n we considered 1, 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 1. We got the answer for n is equal to 1. Now we have to consider n is equal to 3. Is this answer? This will be the answer or not? You check it. For n is equal to 3. 1 by 2 is here. Okay. Then a to the power n plus 1 by 2. N is 3. 3 plus 1 by 2 is how much? 4 by 2 is 2. So a to the power 2. A to the power 2. See, 3 plus 1, 4 by 2. That will be a to the power 2. A to the power 2 is there. Okay. Then gamma n plus 1 by 2. Gamma 3 plus 1 by 2. That will be gamma 2. Gamma 2 is the value is 1. Okay, gamma 2 Gamma 2, the gamma 2 means what, how much? See, gamma 2, that means we have to write 1 plus 1, gamma 1, n plus 1, n plus 1, n gamma n, that means 1. Okay, so we found 1 by 2a square. Okay, now we have to consider n is equal to 5. If we are going to consider n is equal to 5, if we are going to consider n is equal to 5, then we are going to get the same answer or not, that we have to validate. So n equal to 5, you just check it here, n equal to 5, so 1 by 2 is there, so 1 by 2 is here. Okay, into this is 1 by, okay, 1 by 2 into a to the power n plus 1 by 2. So n plus 1 by 2 means n plus 1 means 5 plus 1, 6 by 2 equal to 3. So a to the power 3 is there. Okay, then n plus 1 by 2, that means 3 plus 1 by 2, that is 3. So gamma 3. So gamma 3 is nothing but 2 factorial. We know that gamma 3 is nothing but 2 factorial, and we got the same answer. Okay. Okay, likewise, if we are going to consider 7, n is equal to 7, the formula is how much? You just recall, 1 by 2 is there, into a to the power 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1 by 2, that means a to the power 4. Okay, into gamma 7 plus 1 by 2 will be 4. So this will be 1 by 2 into a to the power 4 into gamma 4, that is not 3 factorial, right? So 1 by 2 into a to the power 4, 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. So here 2 got cancelled, so 3 by a to the power 4. 3 by a to the power 4. Likewise, any odd value, any value of n having odd, the formula is this one, 1 by 2 a to the power n plus 1 by 2 gamma n plus 1 by 2. Actually this is also valid for the n is equal to even, but the simple difference is that if minus infinitive to infinitive y to the power odd and e to the minus a square a y square dy, that will be equal to 0. That is the simple difference. Okay, for the odd we found this one, this is the general, but minus infinitive to plus infinitive, remember it is very important, minus infinitive to plus infinitive, if n is odd then it will be 0. Now we are going to go for the even, and we are going to validate that it is matched with our defined formula or not. Okay, now we have to go for the y square. First we have to consider n equal to 2. N equal to, we have to go for the n equal to 2. N equal to 2. Systematically, I suggest that systematically we have to write. I don't, for n is equal to 1, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 5 you have to do, n equal to 7 no need to do. Similarly, for n is equal to 7, the value will be this much. So see one thing, that how you are going to write. First heading you written, okay, this one, that you have to prove that this will be this one, where this equal to this equal to this, and n equal to this much, and by gamma function this equal to this much. Heading you written this much, and then you have to write this one equal to 0, this one equal to 0. That means this much amount, this much things you have to prove. This you have to prove, this you have to prove, this you have to prove, and by using gamma function means this one and this one, these things you already written, and then you have to consider for n equal to odd, then you have to give a subheading that n equal to odd. For n is equal to 1 you written this one, for n is equal to 3 you written this one, for n is equal to 5 you written this one. So from the answers you can, then you have to write, from the answers we can generalized, or in general we can write that 0 to infinity y to the power n e to the power minus a y square dy is equal to this one if n equal to odd. That means n equal to 1, 3, 5, like that, dot 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 dot, and for minus infinity to infinity y to the power n e to the minus a square dy will be 0 for n equal to odd. That's it. Odd values work is over. Now we have to consider when n is equal to even. For when n equal to even, when n equal to even for n equal to 2. For n equal to 0 to infinity y square e to the power a e to the power minus a y square dy, a y square you taken as t, y square equal to t by a 2y dy. See, 2y dy equal to 1 by a dt, and dy equal to 1 by 2a into 1 by y dt, dy equal to this much 1 by 2a into 1 by t by a root over into dt, dy equal to this much. Now you have to just put in this equation all the things. So y is nothing but y square is equal to t by a. T by a e to the t. E to the t means we consider as a y square as t. E to the minus t into dy. Dy we found that this much. We just substituted this value. Then we found that a by 1 by a to the power 3 by 2. See, here a to the power 1 by 2, here a to the power 1. So obviously a to the power 3 by 2 we are going to get. We are going to get a to the power 3 by 2, and here 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2 0 to infinity t to the power 1 by 2 e to the minus t dt. Okay, so in the form of gamma function we can write in this way. See, a to e 1 by a to the 3 by 2 is there into 1 by 2 0 to infinity t to the power 3 by 3 minus see 1 by 2 can be written as 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 form I am trying to write in the form of gamma function. Okay. So these things I am trying to write in the form of the gamma function. So 1 by 2 can be written as 3 by 2 minus 1. So it will be 0 to infinity t to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 e to the power minus t dt. So here we know that e to the power minus t to the power n minus 1 dt is nothing but gamma n. So we found that 1 by a to the 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into whole into gamma of 3 by 2. Okay, so if we are going to consider gamma 3 by 2, gamma 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1. So gamma n plus 1 is nothing but n gamma n, that is half gamma 1 by 2. Gamma half we know that root pi. So it will be how much? See, this is a 1 by a to the 3 by 2, 1 by 2, here another 1 by 2. Okay, so it will 1 by 4 root over of pi by a to the 3 by 2. So it can be written as 1 by 4 pi by a cube whole root over. Okay, so you just mark this one. This will become in our general form. Okay, first we have to do another term, that is y to the power 4 e to the power minus a y square dy. So here y square is t by a, dy is nothing but this much. So we are going to put instead of y square, this is t by a, that is here y to the power 4, that means y square to the power square. So it will be t by a square into e to the power minus t into dy. Dy is this much, I have been substituted over here. Then it will be, you can see, e to the power, here a to the power 2, a to the power 1 by 2. So it will be a to the power 5 by 2. So 1 by a to the power 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 is here, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 gone outside, 0 to infinity, t square is here, e to the power minus t, here 1 by t to the power 1 by 2, 1 by t to the power 1 by 2. So if 1 by 2 will be moved to the numerator, then it will be 2 minus 1 by 2, right? Here 2 is there, here at the denominator 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 gone numerator. So 2 minus 1 by 2, it will be 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2, right? So it will be t to the power 3 by 2 into e to the power minus t into dt. So e to the t to the power 3 by 2 can be written in the form of t to the power 5 by 2 minus 1. This is 1, 5 by 2 minus 1, because I am trying to write in the form of the gamma function, right? So it will be 1 by a to the 5 by 2, 1 by a to the 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 is there. I have written these things as usual into 0 to infinity t to the power 3 by 2 written as 5 by 2 minus 1 into e to the power minus t dt. Okay, so this is in the form of gamma function, that means e to the power minus t, t to the power n minus 1, 0 to infinity will be gamma n gamma 5 by 2. So here this things is same I have been written, and you just mark this one. This will be the our general form, right? General form that we are going to be discuss with. So it will be gamma 5 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2 plus 1. We know that gamma n plus 1 is nothing but n gamma n. It can be 3 by 2 into gamma 3 by 2. Then 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1, and itself can be written as 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2, and it will be 3 by 2. This thing, the same thing I have continued this one, okay, and it will be 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi. Okay, so this will be the value we can get if we are going to consider y to the power 4, or for n is equal to 4. Systematically you have to write like that. In general, so see, in general you can see that for n is equal to 2 we found 1 by a to the power 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 gamma 3 by 2. For a to the power n equal to 4 we found 1 by a to the power 5 by 2 into 1 by 2, or we can say 1 by 2 into a to the 5 by 2, okay, into gamma 5 by 2. Likewise for 6 we can write this one. For 6 n equal to 6, it will be 1 by a to the 7 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma 7 by 2, or 1 by 2 into a to the power 7 by 2 into gamma 7 by 2, like this. So in general it can be written as 1 by a to the power n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma n plus 1 by 2. Okay, you just check it. If we are going to consider n equal to 2, n equal to means 2 plus 1 is how much? 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is always there. 1 by 2 into gamma 3 by 2. For n equal to, same thing we got, traditional we got this one, right? For n equal to 4 means it will be 4 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma n plus 1 by 2. So n plus 1 by 2 means 5 by 2. Same thing we got 1 by a to the 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, okay, into 1 by 2 into gamma 5 by 2. So traditionally also we got this one. Then after solving we got these things. Likewise, if we are going to consider n equal to 6, then it will be 1 by a to the power n plus 1 by 2. That means 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma 7 by 2. Okay, so if you are going to consider n equal to 10, if you are going to consider n equal to 10, then y to the power 10 into e to the minus a square dy, it will be 1 by a to the power 10 plus 1, 11 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma 11 by 2. Gamma 11 by 2 you can found this much. So in this way we found when n is equal to even, that will be 0. Yes, another thing I forgot. For n equal to 0, if you are going to consider n equal to 0, then it will be a to the power 0 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. Okay, that means for n equal to 0, for n equal to 0, this value will be a to the power, how much? 0 to a to the power 1 by 2 into 2. 1 by 2 we can write, or whole divided by 2 into gamma 0 plus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Okay, so that is nothing but for n equal to 0, it will be 1 by 2 root over of a into root over of pi. Okay, so in solid state physics I written this formula. You can check it here. See, in solid state physics at that time I given that for x is equal to 0, exponent of minus a y square dx is nothing but 1 by 2 root over of pi by a. this, see, same thing we got 1 by 2. This is root over pi, root over of pi by a. Okay, root over of pi by 1 by 2, root over of pi by a. So for even, how you are going to write? For even, you given the heading even. For n equal to, you have to write this one. For n equal to 4, you have to write this one. Hence, in general, we can write that, we can write 0 to infinitive y to the power n into e to the minus a y square dy is equal to this much, is equal to this much, is equal to this much for n equal to even, that equal to 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, so by considering that much you have written, then you have to write, by considering this formula, this integral will be this much, this integral will be how much, this much, this integral will be this much, and for n is equal to 0, that means y to the power 0 into the e to the minus a y square dy equal to this much, and this integral will be this much. These things you have to write by considering this general form. Okay, so in which way I have been told to you, and another thing is that, so, and also, okay, and minus infinity to infinitive y n e to the minus a y square dy will be equal to 2 into 0 to infinitive y to the power n into minus a y square dy. That much you have to write also. And here n is equal to even. So as n is even, then it will be in the form of minus infinity to infinity, will be converted to 2 into 0 to infinity. So in this format, perfectly you have to write somewhere in your note, because this integral is always useful in solid state physics and in quantum mechanics. Again, in short I am going to tell how, in which way you have to write. First you have to write, to prove this much is equal to this much by considering gamma function, that is this much. Okay, where this much is equal to this much, this much is equal to this much, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, and minus infinity to infinity equal odd equal to this much, and this integration is this much. You have to written this one in the heading. Then you have to do for odd n equal to 1 you written, n equal to 3 you written, n equal to 5 you written, you derived. After derivation of 3, for n equal to 1, 3, 5, in general we can found that first you have to write this one is equal to this one. I written this one equal to this one, but you have to write this one is equal to this one. If n equal to odd, where n equal to 1, 3, 5 like this, and minus infinity to infinity y to the power n e to the minus a y square dy equal to 0, where n is equal to odd, when e is equal to odd. Exactly same way you have to write for the even function. But even function I told that you have to just do for two values of n equal to 2, n equal to 4, and generalized things you have to written this one. From the generalized equation we can write, after written this one, generalized equation we can write, for n is equal to 6, this integration will be this much. Okay, set this integration value will be this much. For n is equal to 0, this integration value, where this integration value will be this much, and for n is equal to 10, this integration value will be this much. You have to write this one, and then you have to write this minus infinity y to the power n e to the minus a square dy is equal to 2 into 0 to infinity y is equal to n to the y to the n e to the minus a y square dy is dy, for n is equal to even this much. Okay, so you have to write down somewhere in your note. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Thank you.